When Netskope announced a Cloud DLP reference architecture, one of the key components was the ability to integrate and leverage an on-premises DLP as part of the workflow. This demo will showcase Netskope's ability to integrate with on-premises DLP systems. The first requirement is you need to have a Netskope virtual appliance in place and configured for ICAP forwarding to the target on-premises DLP system. Setup documentation is accessible via the on-premises infrastructure page of your Netskope tenant. Once you have a virtual machine configured with ICAP forwarding, DLP policy triggers are forwarded to the on-premises DLP system. Netskope integrates with a variety of on-premises DLP systems. Let's look at a configuration using a WebSense Triton. Here we have a policy already in place to look for PCI. We can use Netskope to funnel suspected PCI violations that take place in the cloud to WebSense. Switching to the Netskope console, here we have a DLP policy in place to look for PCI being uploaded to cloud storage and quarantine on a policy match. Let's attempt to upload a document containing PCI to Box. The Netskope policy is triggered and the suspected file is sent to quarantine, where it will then be sent to the WebSense Triton via ICAP. We can verify this made its way into WebSense by looking at reported incidents. We now have a workflow that enables Netskope to inspect cloud usage for DLP violations and funnel suspecting files to WebSense.